I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So today I'm here to show you this hair I received from Reshine Hair. It's 100% human hair, and it came by DHL. And then in the DHL there's this lovely pink box that came, the hair came in, and some accessories. I got some lashes, some wig cap, and then some nice hair clips that came also with it. So I'll show you what the hair looks like shortly. This is their leaflet that tells you how you can manage this hair very well. Shampoo your hair, wash it, and every other good thing. Also, there's a coupon code down in the description for you to save some money when you order this particular hair and other hair on their channel too, on their website too. And also remember, there is also Black Friday, so there are going to be sales going on their website. So the link is going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check it. So this is what this hair looks like. It's a vpart kinky curly hair. It's very beautiful, and you have those clips in the center like that. See how V it is, and the hair is amazing. You can see the amazing colors are so defined, and the length is true to length. You can see how nice it looks there. I didn't experience any shading while installing this hair, and this hair was really beautiful. When I put it on, everyone really complimented it. So yeah, if you really want to know how I'm gonna wear this hair, then just keep watching it, and you can see they have like combs inside for you to secure properly. So guys, just stay tuned and see how I install this hair.
You never know what's hard with a back to the mat. Gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like before the install. So my hair is a natural hair. I've washed this hair and blow dry, and so I'm thinking I can actually do the parting on any side. I can do the left side, I can do the right side, but I was like, let me just go for the center part, which always is like my preferred, and it's very easy for me to easily style. But you can do this, use this V-part wig on any side of your pattern that you want to go for. So I'm doing the center pattern now. Okay, so here I'm going to leave some hair out in the front, on the both sides of my front, the whole hairline. I'm going to leave a little tiny bit of hair. You don't have to do this. You can skip this part because you can still install the hair without even doing this one. But I just wanted to leave some hair out, and then I went ahead and cut some part of hair in the middle to put it on the hair. And also you can install this hair without even leaving out any hair, because the V is very, very defined, and it can easily be mistaken for your scalp, so you don't have to leave hair out. Because I wanted to leave hair out anyways, and then I just braided a little bit of hair on the middle part so that it can give me more security when I put the clips in, which of course, like I said, is optional. You don't have to do at all. This is this is a wig that you can just pick and wear within 3 minutes, and you are good to go. You don't have to go through all this braiding. Just for people that don't know how to braid, you can just cut a part or something, just put the clips on, and you are ready to go, guys. And so Yeah, so one thing that I should have done was like my hair color was darker than the wig is like natural black, but my hair was like jet black. So yeah, but you can as well try to, you know, dye your hair to match the wig if you want, but if not, you can leave it how it is, because it wasn't bad for me, but I was just thinking, just in case some of you noticed that. So yeah, I put the remaining part of my hair in a low pony like that, and I'm ready to install already. So this is how quick this install is. So guys, if you're watching me and you don't know what I'm doing, make sure you check the description box to see the details of this hair, and make sure you click it to go to their website to see what is going on. So yeah, I'm back and I've put on my makeup, and so this is the hair again. I'm showing you how it was in the pack, and you can see the clips, 2 clips on the left, 2 clips on the right. You can see what I mean by the finished look. It's like an invisible part there. And also I have some combs on the side, in the bottom, and on the in the middle, so you can just wear this hair, and of course it gets so very easy. So this is what I'm doing. I'll show you quickly. I just open the clip on, press it down, and it clicks, and yeah, that is it guys. So see how easy that is. So I went ahead and do on the other side, so just watch me style this hair guys.
That they can never be me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
Okay, so now it's time to undo the braids in the front and in the center and blend this hair. This is very easy, and like I said, you can see the color of my hair is darker than the hair, but yeah, we just work with it anyways. So yeah, you can actually coil this hair with a coiler, like those tiny beads, you know, just coil it and blend it together. But I am avoiding putting heat on my hair. I remember doing loads of vpart wigs in the past and my hair was damaged, so I'm going to use eco styler to you know, apply on my hair and see if I can have like a wash and go look to blend with the hair. So this is what I'll be doing. You don't have to do it like me, you can just use the coiler and blend it together, but I'm just trying to show you some other ways you can style this wig. Yeah, and then if you're like me and you don't want your hair to be this black underneath and you want it to blend together with the wig, you can as well buy a hair dye and dye the wig black, or you dye your hair to look like the wig. So whichever way, it will be fine. And so yeah, with the help of water and I was able to, you know, get my hair to have some little curls. This is a 4C hair guys, so 4C hair, you need to really put a lot of gel, a lot of water, you know, for it. They are really stubborn hair, but all the same, it wasn't bad at all. At the end, I like how it came out. I brushed it in and I brushed out the hair a little bit to give me a more fuller volume. As I was brushing, I was spraying water, and this hair was very soft. It didn't shed at all and it didn't tangle at all. So I will recommend this hair, and please don't forget to check the description box. You can use a special coupon code that is written under there for you to get some 15% off, and if you order this particular hair also, or on their website if you order some other hair. Alright guys, so this is what I was doing. I kept brushing it in, you know, and yeah, and I like how it looked. So this is what I look like when I finished, and this was so beautiful. You can see the part and you can see the middle part I did is beautiful. The hair has lots of volume. You can see from the back side it was beautiful. I like it. So guys, don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to drop me a comment, and yeah, we'll talk in my next video, and see you guys. Bye.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
out what you